Hello there. So I am, let's see, that's pretty good. Go ahead and pop this up a little bit. That's pretty good. Um, what I'm doing is I have a treadmill that I don't know how to actually show what I'm seeing on it. But we went ahead in the last video and built this script, which connects with my walking treadmill and lets me control it. So I can kind of just actually go ahead and show you what that looks like. If I run Python controller, you'll see that it will, in a second, on the bottom of my screen. Okay, maybe you heard the beep, but it connected, and we have this little program right here. So what that does, and I'll go ahead and film this with my camera too, so I can at least make a video of it. So we have these controls right here, but what's cool is that if I run them, so let's say I maybe hit start. Okay, so the treadmill just started. You can see the dogs. The dogs got their muzzle. But yeah, you can see how that changes, which is really cool because this is normally something I'd have to pay like $40 a month for in an app. But we kind of just had AI reverse engineer it a little bit. So I can set like the numbers, like I could hit 3. You can see it change over there. And it's starting to speed up. I almost just got sucked in. So let's go ahead and slow that down. But I am not going to stop walking until we have something that I can game with and walk. So this is cool, but this is only the start. So let's get started. So what I want to do, now that we have this, is get another file. So I'm going to say please create a let me actually go back into the program real quick, and I'm going to set the speed to like 2. This is so cool. So I can say, please create a separate file called gamer. Okay, separate file called walking GBA. So here's kind of what I'll do is I'll just kind of explain this. What I want is for my game to so what I want to be doing on this is I want my game when I'm gaming, I want to be able to control my character and have the speed of my treadmill increase or decrease based on how fast the game is moving. So with Pokemon, what that looks like is walking around like up, down, left, right. And then if I hit the run button, the speed on the treadmill doubles. If I activate my bike, the speed triples. And if I stop moving, then ideally it would stop, which it did not do. Hold on. Let's try that again. Pause. And if I stop moving, then I would want it to stop. So that's kind of cool. But here's what that looks like. So let's go into here. I definitely want to move this. I'll just go ahead and put it right here, which is awkward, but it's fine. So create a separate file called walking GBA. Has the same connection process, but follows the following set of logic. Whatever. We'll go with that. I should go look at what the controls are on Melon. So you're about to see some gaming. Hold on. Okay. File, open ROM. Okay. Okay, so it looks like I'm using up, down, left, right. Let's see. Config. Okay, so this is what I need to look at. I see. So when I press, here's what it is. If I press up, down, left, right, then I need to be walking. If I am holding down B, which is Q, on the keyboard, it should double my speed. And if I press S, it should triple my speed when walking. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to just put that in. when biking, which is toggled by pressing what, shift? S. Pressing Q and A. I'm gonna say okay. Let's just go ahead and send this and see what it does. While we're doing that, I totally forgot that I had stopped. So we'll keep going. And I'm just And I'm just going to keep walking while that agent is going. So we'll see how long it takes. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm going to walk over to get my water, but I just won't stop walking. Okay. So we got the code. It's actually better than the other, um, shorter than the other one, which was pretty impressive. So 3 milliseconds. Okay. Okay. Say keep all changes. Um. Holy shit. Goodness. Sorry, my house just tried to kill me. Okay, so let's quit the old one and we'll do this. So, um, we'll pause it, quit, and then okay, so here we go. Okay, so let's give this one a test. Should connect in a second. Yep. Okay, so let's go ahead and press up. Okay. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch directions. Okay, that works. That works. Now I'm going to have to get crazy with it. So let's see me press this and we're going to switch to running. Okay. Let go over the run. Drops back down. And then let's press S. So I let go. It's gonna go down. And then S. Oh. Um Was that not recording? That kind of sucks. Hold on. Okay, no, I got that. So okay, let's see. So let's switch back real quick. And when I let go of let's just ask a question real quick. When I let go of am I getting multiple? And I think it might have been let me check one more thing. Okay, this is about to juice. Oh wow, that's cool. It actually streams it in real time. So this is not 5 miles an hour. Okay. I definitely got scammed. Okay. So if I press S, nothing happens, but that makes sense because I don't think you can dismount on a bike unless you're. Ooh, here's a fun edge case. What if I do Q? Nope. Okay, so if I let go, okay, bike is S. Okay. Let me see. Oh, whoops. when I Okay. So let's keep going on this. Okay, so basically what I want is the last thing is I want it to be listening while I'm playing the game. So right now, let me see if I run it. If I go to okay. So okay. So let's continue this. Okay, let's go ahead and stop that. Okay. This is so cool. Uh-oh. Okay. Select as S. Oh, because it's X. Dang it. I forgot it's different on X is E. E. Which one of these? There we go. So it's W. So if I'm biking, I gotta move really fast when I'm biking. This is really cool. Okay. Too fast. Zoom in. Zooming around town. Let's do my little victory lap, and then boom. Back to a walk. If I run. Dude, this is so cool. He's running a little harder than I am, not gonna lie. But we'll blame the treadmill for that. This is so cool. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead and quit. Okay. Go ahead and save while the AI is writing stuff. Okay. And then the other thing is I want to go into walking. And it wasn't S, I think it was W. Oh, whoops. There we go. Okay. Cool. So that was really cool. I'm excited about it. We're already good on this. Tomorrow I want to keep playing around with some stuff and probably test out some Mythos stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow.